Start from the center and go out. Center of the pie out. I always like having a piece early, but you want to let it totally chill. Probably a little still warm, but that's me. Put that back in the fridge. And oh yeah, you can eat the whole pie. For sure. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just basically like a bowl of fruit. I mean, the nuts and the raisins is a little much, but you know, have a bowl of soup for dinner. And cooking on the fly, underlying motto is you don't want to die. I mean, you got to have some kind of at least wonderment about eternity. But I don't think the spirit is going to settle for that. Take care.